Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are planning to take the PTE exam, you probably have a ton of questions in mind. Today, I'll answer the most common ones, all in under 3 minutes. Let's dive in. Number 1. What is the PTE exam and why take it? Pearson Test of English is a computer-based English test used for studying abroad, work, and even PR applications. It's accepted by thousands of universities worldwide, and results usually come in 5 to 6 days. There are 3 types of PTE tests: PTE Academic, PTE Core, and PTE UKVI. PTE Academic is mainly for studying abroad. It is accepted by thousands of universities and governments. PTE Core, this test is for skilled migration and work visas in Canada. PTE UKVI is for UK visas and immigration. Number 2, can you take the PTE exam from home? Well, no, you must take the test at an official Pearson Center under secure conditions at the specific date you have chosen. Number 3, can you reschedule your PTE exam date? Absolutely, you can reschedule or cancel up to 14 days before your test for a full refund. Closer than that, you may have to pay a partial fee. Number 4, what is the PTE exam pattern? There are 3 sections: speaking and writing, reading, and listening. The whole test takes about 2 hours. We have made separate videos explaining all of them. Make sure to check it out on our channel. Number 6, how do you book the PTE exam? Go to pearsonpt.com, create an account, choose your location, pick a date, and pay online. Super simple. Number 7, what should you take to the PTE exam? Just a valid passport. No notes, no personal items. The center provides everything else you need. Number 8, PTE versus IELTS. Which is better? Both are widely accepted. PT is fully computer based with AI scoring, while IELTS has human examiners. Many students find PT faster and less stressful, but it completely depends upon your comfort level. These are the top questions we hear all the time. If you're still curious about scores, validity, preparation tips, and cost, we'll cover all that in part 2. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick PT tips. And remember, you can practice real PT mock tests with AI scoring on Gurully.com before your actual exam. See you in the next video. Cheers.